Today, I'm showing you exactly how to recreate that authentic street style Ewa Agoyin sauce right in your kitchen. Stay with me because I'll show you the secret that gives it that signature Agoyin flavor. You'll be needing dried bell peppers, dried chili peppers, onions, palm oil, seasoning, and salt to taste. The ginger and the dry fish is optional. You can add beef, pomo, or any other thing that you want. I'll advise you don't put too much. Let's make it simple to get that flavor. First, soak your dried peppers in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes until they soften. This makes blending much easier. Once soft, blend the peppers roughly. Don't overblend it. We want a slightly coarse texture, not too smooth. So here, as you can see, I'm adding the onions and the ginger. The ginger is optional, like I said. You can also add garlic. So it is roughly blended here. Now, this is where the magic starts. Pour your palm oil into a pot and allow it to heat up properly. You want it hot but not smoking excessively. Then add sliced onions and let them fry until they turn very dark, almost burnt. Yes, this is intentional. This step gives Ewa Agoyin sauce its unique smoky flavor. Once your onions are dark and fragrant, carefully pour in your blended pepper mix. Stir gently and allow it to fry in the oil. You'll notice the oil separating slowly. This is exactly what you want. Now add the dried fish. If you have pomo beef or anything, this is the time to add it. Add your seasoning and salt to taste. Let the sauce cook on low heat. Be patient here. This sauce needs time to develop its rich flavor. Stir occasionally to prevent burning at the bottom. As the sauce cooks, it will thicken and darken slightly. The aroma at this point, oh my god, absolutely irresistible. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Once the oil has fully settled on top and the sauce looks rich and glossy, your Ewa Agoyin sauce is ready, just like this. Serve this delicious sauce over soft mashed beans. You can enjoy it with bread, fried plantain, or even yam. Honestly, it goes with almost anything. Trust me, once you try this, you may never buy outside again. Once it's ready, leave it to cool down completely before transferring into any jar or package. Now let's talk business. From this, I was able to make about 4 portions of this size of jar you can see in the video. With the ingredients I used, everything cost me approximately 6,250 naira. If you sell each portion for 5,000 naira, that gives you a total of 20,000 naira. And after subtracting my cost, my profit went up to 13,750 naira. It can be more depending on your location and pricing. I make sure I sell about 4 portions a day, and that gives me 13,750 naira. Imagine I sell this for 20 working days in a month. Of course, I'll be making over 200,000 naira monthly. You can screenshot this list, you can multiply it, you can double it, triple it, it depends, and you can even start small. As a stay-at-home mom, I advertise to my fellow parents in my children's school. I also sell to people around me in my estate and in my neighborhood. I even get referrals, so I've been able to achieve selling 4 in a day. So yes, this simple Ewa Agoyin sauce can actually become a steady income stream if done right. You can start small even from your kitchen. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.